Hey there, everyone. Cynthia Thomas here. I am so excited about what I'm going to share with you. So, I've teamed up with MFA Studios to be able to bring to you a series of 3 important presentations. It's called the Lady Grove Project. And the Lady Grove Project is focused on targeting women that are holding on to tons of baggage that they need to let go of in order to be able to pursue their purpose and their dreams for this brand new year of 2020. So, what is it? What are the details? What we're doing is something called the 90-day mindset reset. And the 90-day mindset reset allows us to be able to do 3 things. The first one is address all the negative self-talk and limiting beliefs and shed that off completely so that it doesn't have to hold us back any longer, and we can really face our fears and learn the origin of the things that are creating the fear. The second thing we're going to do is really focus on gratitude, because when we focus on gratitude, we're able to really have some growth from that because we start to realize how much we already have accomplished. The third thing we're going to do is called the Smart Woman, and the SMART is actually an acronym for a goal-setting system that is organized and clear and concise so that it really holds you accountable, and it's formed in such a way that you're finally going to be able to crush your goals this time. So the Lady Grove Project is going to start again with this series of 3 workshops. It will be October, November, and December. Why? We are heading into the last 90 days of 2019. How many of you are already prepared for the brand new year 2020? Because I know I'm still here confused about what it is that I'm going to be doing. So I'm excited because I believe that when women get together and we create this community, it becomes supportive. It becomes transparent, where we realize not everybody has it all together all the time. And we can all really just understand and see how we kind of struggle through things and how we can really help each other, and we can brainstorm together, and we can feed off of each other's ideas, feed off of each other's enthusiasm and creativity. We need to combat loneliness. We need to really get together and realize that when we get together, there is nothing more beautiful than a group of women that thrive and that really grow. And that is the purpose of the Lady Grove Project. So I am inviting you to our first session, October 13th at 2 o'clock at MFA Studios. There is going to be information linked so that you can sign up for this, but I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. A lot of people can get a little anxious about coming to gatherings or conferences or things like that, but I'm going to tell you right now, I used to get really nervous about going to things like this because I'm not necessarily the most extroverted or outgoing person. But, everyone can contribute somehow. And you don't have to speak up, and you don't have to raise your hand, and you don't have to say a word. But just being in a room and partaking and witnessing the transparency that is exchanged, it really does something for the soul. I love combating loneliness. I love to be able to create a community where women get together and feel that support. So I invite you again, October 13th, 2 o'clock, MFA Studios. Sign up. I promise you won't be disappointed, and make sure to share this. Right? I'll see you then. Take care.